Morning rain. The summer raindrops tiptoe overhead and gently tap upon my window pane, beat rhythmic tunes to rouse me from my bed, play muted reveilles while I remain wrapped in my blanket for another hour. And all the while above my head the rain beats down and bids me wake, spells out my name in pitter-pats, till scents of fresh-baked buttered bread or scrambled eggs and coffee cake creep in my room quiet as cats to bind me in their power. But then I hear the song of falling rain with pitter-patters cast in softer tone, a subtler song whose lullaby refrain says stay a while till all night's dreams have flown and rainclouds scatter from the waking sky. Then I lean back to lose myself in sleep and let the morning go commuting by. The day is long and worldly cares will keep, and I can always take a later train. The pitter-patters count the hours like sheep. I close my eyes and dream of morning rain.